tour, so let's get on with the video. Shout out to my friend because she wanted me to do this video, and her name is Kyra Bowen. And this is our beds. This is a Barbie dream house. This is our table, and we make a lot of arts and crafts right here. Here we have our books.
This is my favorite pocketbook.
I can't find my favorite pocketbook, but I'll pick my second favorite pocketbook. Our stuff that we got for Christmas.
Yeah, most of the stuff.
And this, it's like you can make your own chapsticks.
This is my favorite, and it's Pie Face.
It's body wash. My uncle bought me this. Then these are all my num-nums. I have this diary that my dad bought me from school. It's from Scholastic News.
I like Dr. Stephen because I watch it on my TV every day, but Amina always watches hers on me. So I really like this doll because she's cute.
This is my favorite book, and it's called Sticker Time. Yeah, so it's like you can put your own stickers there. It's like, there you go, put it back.
I like this book because it has many songs.
This is my Barbie dream house, and this is my favorite doll, Wonder Woman.
And oh my gosh, she's naked. This is my favorite doll.
Thanks you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below.